Hello everyone, I am Omkar Gukre and my today's topic is drug discovery and drug development. Drug discovery and development is a lengthy, complex and expensive process involving identifying potential drug candidates, preclinical research, clinical trials and regulatory approval, ultimately leading to the availability of the new treatments. Here is a more detailed breakdowns. First, drug discovery, target identification. Research identifies specific molecular targets, example protein, enzymes within a disease that can be manipulated to treat or prevent it. Second, lead identification and optimization. Scientists research for molecules, small molecules or biologics that can interact with the identified targets and potentially have therapeutic effects. This involves screening vast libraries of compounds and optimizing those that shows promise. Third, preclinical research. Potential drug candidates are tested in laboratory setting in vitro and on animal models in vivo to assess their safety, efficacy and mechanism of the action. Fourth, formulation and development. The drug candidate is formulated into a suitable dosage form, example, tablets, injections, and manufacturing processes are being developed. Second, drug development. Investigational New Drug Application (IND). Once preclinical studies are completed, an IND application is submitted to regulatory agencies like the FDA in the USA to request permission to begin human clinical trials. Next, clinical trials. Human clinical trials are conducted in phases to assess the safety and efficacy of the drug candidates in humans. Phase 1 focuses on safety and determining the optimal dosage in a small group of healthy volunteers. Phase 2 evaluates the drug's efficacy and identifies potential side effects in a large group of patients with the target disease. Phase 3 large scale trials to confirm efficacy and safety and to compare the drug with existing treatments. Next step, new drug application (NDA). If the clinical trials are successful, a new drug application is submitted to a regulatory agency for approval to market the drug. Regulatory review and approval. The regulatory agency review the NDA and other data to determine whether the drug is safe and effective and whether it should be approved for the use. Next step is post-market surveillance. Once approved, the drug is monitored for safety and effectiveness in real-world use. Challenges and considerations. High failure rate. Many potential drugs candidates fail during the development process, leading to significant cost and delays. Long time frame. The entire processes from discovery to market can take 10 to 15 years or even longer. High costs. The development of a new drug can cost billions of dollars. Regulatory requirements. Strict regulatory requirements ensure the safety and efficacy of drug. Emerging technologies. New technologies like artificial intelligence and bioinformatics are being used to accelerate the drug development and development processes. Drug repurposing. Identifying new uses for existing drug is another approach to accelerate drug development. Thank you.